Hi everyone, I'm KP Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I want to show you how to prepare hui guo rou, a Szechuan dish which is also called twice cooked pork. As the name goes, the pork has to be cooked twice. First, we simmer the pork until it is nearly fully cooked. Then, slice thinly, pan fried, and then season with a combination of Szechuan sauces. It is an exciting flavor if you have never experienced that. So in this video, let me show you how do I prepare it. Cut the pork belly into large chunks. Coarsely chop the ginger. Coarsely chop the garlic. Remove the seed of the red chili and cut it into pieces. Cut the bell pepper into large pieces. Cut the leek into sections. Place the pork belly, scallions, ginger, and some Szechuan peppercorns in the pots. Add sufficient water to submerge the pork. Bring the water to a boil and simmer for 15 minutes or until the pork is nearly fully cooked. Drain away the excess water. And then keep the pork dry as much as possible by using kitchen paper towels. Slice the pork into thin slices. Pan fry the pork in a pan. Until both sides turn slightly brown. Remove the pork from the pan, but leave the oil in the pan. Saute the garlic and ginger with the oil rendered until aromatic. Add the seasoning, that is, the chili bean paste. The black bean paste. Sweet bean paste. Some sugar. And if you like, you can add some Chinese wine, which is optional. Return the pork to the pan and combine with the seasonings. Add the vegetables, the green bell pepper and the red chilies. That is the leek, Stir fry the vegetables until it's cooked. Remove from the pan, and now it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and I hope I have made it clear how to prepare the twice cooked pork in this video. If you want the recipe, I have included it in the description right below the video. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button and give me a like. And I'll see you again in other videos on this channel in future. Bye for now.